The kingdom comes will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins. Do not bring us into temptation. From all evil. Amen.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ishanvi. You said the prayer very nicely. Now, tomorrow, Rishita, you will say the prayer tomorrow. Can you hear me, Rishita? Switch on your mic and say yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Rish,
ma'am.
tomorrow you have to say the prayer, child. So make sure that you are joining on time.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. Now, all of you take out your English language copies. Open to a fresh page. Open to a fresh page of your English language copies. I'm going to show you an exercise on the screen. An exercise on one and many. उसको देख के उसी तरह से आप अपनी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉपी में लिखेंगे. क्लास में आज रिटन वर्क करेंगे आप बैठकर. आई वॉन्ट टू सी यू ऑल सिटिंग स्ट्रेट एंड राइटिंग. हयात, आर यू ऑलराइट चाइल्ड? Sit straight. Put today's date first. On the left hand side corner, today's date is 3.6.2021. Adiraj, since you don't have your copies, you can use your register. Make sure you write in that.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm just sharing children. Some children are still joining.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Priya.
मैम बुक में कौन सा पेज नंबर खोलना है?
बुक नहीं, मैंने मैसेज करा था इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉपीज. कीप योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉपीज रेडी. कल जो मैंने इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का वर्क सेंड करा था, वन एंड मेनी की डेफिनेशन आपने वो कर लिया था?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now open a fresh page, child.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Put today's date there, all of you. Once you put the date, give me a thumbs up. Put on top one and many, O-N-E, one and many. Inaya, can you see the screen? Give me a
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up if you can. All right. Can you see one and many being displayed over there? All right, so all of you put the heading one and many. On the first line, write one and many. On the second line, you will write singular and plural. Give me a thumbs up when you finish writing the heading one and many and the next line singular and plural. शुभ, आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good. Have you put the next heading singular and plural? Give me a thumbs up when you are finishing the heading. Homash, have you written the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, child. And keep your camera on so that I can see you. Now the first word, put number 1 in the margin. Put number 1 in the margin. And write on the singular side you will write mother. Make sure you are putting the heading singular plural, 2 columns. 2 columns should be there. And to make those columns, if you're not using your scale, if you can't make a straight line using a scale, children, then जो आपकी कॉपी का पेज है, look here children, जो कॉपी का पेज है उसको ऐसे करके सेंटर से you just fold it like this. एक साइड से दूसरी तरफ अंदर की तरफ ले आइए and fold it like this. You will get a straight line over there. If you are not using the scale, if you can't make a straight line using the scale,
Excuse me, ma'am.
then you make your margin like this. Yes, Ayat?
ये रजिस्टर पे करना है या
English language copy.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, welcome. Manjeet, you have to write on your own, child. Okay? You can fold the page like this to get a straight line there. Then one side singular, one side plural. Put the heading. You can see it on the screen. Singular, plural. And then we begin writing the words. Shubh is feeling sleepy. Shubh, नींद आ रही है?
यस मैम.
क्यों? रात में देर से सोए थे?
नो मैम.
Then do your work. Start writing. Then you won't feel sleepy. Okay, sit straight. All of you sit straight smartly. Yes, Vinayak, that's how you fold the page, get your margin and write now. The first word is the singular side, mother, and plural it becomes mothers. Next word. Next word, number 2. Ayat Heather has just joined. Ayat, we are doing English language and exercise on one and many in the English language copies. So please be ready with your English language copy. The screen is being presented. See from there and do your work. Hriday, can you see the screen?
Ma'am, not clear.
Not clear. Okay, just a second. Let's do it once again then. Second word is fruit. Children, write the second word in the meantime. Fruit. Fruit. Singular, fruit.
Yes.
Omash, I'm just sharing the screen once again. Hriday could not see it. You write the second word, fruit. Plural will be fruits by adding S. Fruits. Now can you see it, Hriday?
Excuse Allah.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, number 3, table. 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 Plural will be tables.
Ma'am, table is for
Table. Table. And plural will be tables. You add an S to it. Tables.
love. Ma'am, screen पूरी नहीं दिख रही है.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now can you see it? Next word, shoe. Shoe. Singular, shoe. Shoe. Some children have got their mics on. Christopher, your mic is on. Pranjali, your mic is on. Plural will become shoes. 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 Next word, day. Singular, day. And plural will become days. Add an S, it becomes days. Christopher, are you writing? Okay. Hardik, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good boy. Wali, are you writing? Wali, are you writing, child? Pranjali, are you writing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rishita.
मैम वो जो 5 नंबर पे लिखा है एक बार रिपीट करे ना.
DAY, day, and plural will be days. DAYS.
मैम
You have done it, Shivansh? All right, sit and revise your work.
ओके.
Yes, Christopher. DAY, day, singular, and plural becomes days. Next word, number 6, TOY, toy, and plural becomes toys. Next word, COW, cow, singular, and plural becomes cows. COWS. Christopher, write it. COW, cow, singular. COWS, cows, plural. Next word, CHAIR, chair. Plural becomes chairs. CHAIRS. Next word, EGG, egg. Singular. Plural becomes EGGS, eggs. शिवांश, क्लास में बैठकर क्लास के टाइम पर आपको कुछ नहीं खाना है. कैमरा ऑफ करके आपको लग रहा है आप आराम से क्लास में बैठ के यू कैन ईट समथिंग. डोंट डू दैट. When you get your break, you do it then.
Ma'am, I have drank water.
Yes, you should wait. 15 minutes break hoga, then you can have. Before class, you haven't sit. All right, next word, pencil. PENCIL. Singular, and plural becomes pencils. 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 Next word, girl, singular, plural becomes girls. We add an S, GIRLS. And the last word is EYEI, plural, EYES, eyes.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have done my work in Aya Khan.
All right, Inaya, very good. Just sit and revise your work. Check all the words from the
Yes,
screen.
ma'am.
See
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
haven't made any spelling mistakes, child.
Ma'am, I will.
You've revised? Okay, good. Now sit and learn. Start learning them up. Start learning them up. Those who finished, start learning these words with the spellings.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I am done.
Aradhya also done. Riya also done. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I
Ayaan.
have done.
You have also done. Very good. Very good. Sanvi
Excuse
also
me,
done.
ma'am. I have it done.
Okay, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I think almost everybody has finished. So I'm going to stop sharing the
Excuse me,
screen.
ma'am.
Yes, Prashasti?
Ma'am, I'm done. I have done one more.
All
I'm
right,
done.
good. Who's shouting?
Ma'am, please see. Ma'am,
Just a
please
second. Just a second. I can see everyone. Now I'm removing the screen. Okay. Now just lift your copies and let me see all of you.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes. Adhiraj, let me see your work. You have also done. Very good. Astha, please switch on your camera. Arav. Pranjali, you have done? Yes, Pranjali?
Ma'am, I am done.
All right, good.
Ma'am, I am done.
Okay, very good. That's nice. So all
Ma'am,
of you
done.
have done. Just give me a thumbs up. Don't switch on your mics. Give me a thumbs up. Very good. Now, children, listen very carefully to what I am saying. I had joined from 2 devices so that I can see you also and I can share the screen also. With my laptop, I was sharing the screen with you and I was keeping and I could see you all from here. See, I had joined from 2 devices जिससे हम आपको देख भी सकते थे कि आप काम कर रहे हैं सब. Right? Okay, now. Yes, Vijwan, I have seen your work. Now listen carefully, all of you. This exercise, you will all learn it up. Right? Today, I will be sending you one more exercise of English language, one and many. Now you have understood how to do your work. One more exercise I will tell you. I'll be sending it in the class group. Then you can do that exercise also.
Ma'am, I have done.
शुभ, मैंने सुन लिया, सबका काम देख भी लिया. राइट? अब आप ध्यान से सुनिए मैम क्या बोल रही हैं. एक एक्सरसाइज और हम क्लास ग्रुप में आपके लिए पोस्ट करेंगे, वो भी आप इसी तरह से करेंगे कॉपी में. अंडरस्टूड? गिव मी अ थम्स अप all of you heard and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a thumbs up. You don't need to
Yes,
switch on your mic. No switching on your mic, sure. All right. Then social studies, there are some diagrams which you are supposed to do, children. Lesson clothes we wear. You will draw the diagrams that I am going to send you. Adhiraj, please pay attention. Stop talking. Astha, are you there in the class? Rudraksh, are you there in the class? Sakina, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Sakina, switch on your camera quickly. Now children, if your camera is off, it's going to be very difficult for me to understand whether I am teaching you or I am teaching the furniture in your house. Please make sure when you are sitting in the class, your cameras have to be on. So social studies, I will be sending you some diagrams. You will draw those diagrams in front of the question and answers. जहाँ पर question and answers करे हैं, उसी के सामने plain side पर वो diagrams आपको draw करने हैं. And सारे diagrams एक ही दिन में आप draw कर नहीं पाएंगे. There are many diagrams, summer clothes, winter clothes, rainy season clothes. So you will draw slowly. You can take your time, but make sure that you complete your work. Please do not
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please do not leave anything incomplete. Yes?
Ma'am, social studies में कौन से क्वेश्चन आपके
शिवांश आप सुनते नहीं है बेटे,
पहले वाला
आप
करना
बिल्कुल
दिखा।
सुनते नहीं है जो मैम बोल रही है। जब आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे तो आपकी समझ में आएगा। अभी मैंने बोला सोशल। यस रोनिक, आई हैव सीन इट चाइल्ड, गुड, कीप इट विथ यू। शिवांश हम फिर से एक बार बता रहे हैं और आगे से आप बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे चीजों को। क्लास में जब आप बैठ रहे हैं आपको सुनना है, इधर उधर देखना नहीं है, बात नहीं करना है। सोशल स्टडीज में हमने क्लोथ्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। आज हम उसके डायग्राम सेंड करेंगे, वो आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के सामने। और डायग्राम्स आपको एक ही दिन में सब नहीं ड्रॉ करने हैं। यू कैन टेक योर टाइम, यू कैन टेक 2 days, आज और कल 2 दिन का समय है, डायग्राम्स कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा। और डायग्राम्स जब बनाते हैं, रिमेंबर यू हैव टू ऑल्सो पुट द heading, you have to make the border. First thing is to make the border and do your diagrams very nicely, neatly. Now today in the you have social studies in the last period. Yes, sure.
आज उसी दिन सेंड भी करना जिस दिन
मैंने अभी सेंड करने के लिए कुछ बोला शुभ? अभी नहीं बोला ना, मैंने आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी बता दिया है कि हम आपके नेम्स ग्रुप में पोस्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद आप सेंड करेंगे वर्क। लेकिन काम उसी दिन हो जाना चाहिए या नेक्स्ट डे। नाउ टुडे आपको पता है आज सोशल स्टडीज में वी नीड फूड लेसन का टेस्ट है। लास्ट पीरियड में आपका सोशल स्टडीज है। आई एम गोइंग टू टेक योर टेस्ट टुडे। यस, ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट। आई होप एवरीबडी हैज स्टडीड। और अभी हमारे पास क्लास में 33 बच्चे हैं। आई कैन सी देर आर 33 चिल्ड्रन इन द क्लास, और ये सारे 33 चिल्ड्रन मुझे सोशल स्टडीज पीरियड में भी चाहिए। अगर सोशल स्टडीज पीरियड में आप क्लास में नहीं आएंगे, आई विल मार्क यू एब्सेंट टुडे। क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट पीरियड अटेंड करते हैं, सेकेंड पीरियड में क्लास में नहीं है, थर्ड पीरियड में क्लास में नहीं है, फोर्थ पीरियड में क्लास में आ जाते हैं। इस तरह से नहीं करना है। अब हम अटेंडेंस सिर्फ फर्स्ट पीरियड में नहीं लेंगे, किसी भी पीरियड में लेंगे। सो यू हैव टू अटेंड ऑल योर क्लासेस। इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? ऑल ऑफ यू हर्ड व्हाट मैम सेड? अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो मुझे पर्सनल पर मम्मी पापा से बोल दीजिएगा, मैसेज करके बता देंगे कि आज क्लास बच्चा क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा है। राइट? Did you hear? Then give me a thumbs up. All right. Now,
Ma'am.
Get ready for your attendance.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मेरे भाई की क्लास 3:30 से शुरू हो जाती है, 9:30 से शुरू हो जाती है।
So you are using only one mobile for both of you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to do something for that child. You will miss out on your classes then. Okay, try to make some arrangements so that you can also attend your classes and your brother also. Right? Now sit straight. Let me take your attendance, children. All of you ready? And make sure you're answering loudly for your name.
Yes,
Alia
ma'am.
Nigam,
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Maurya, Ayat Momina Haider, Ayat, you have joined today. Ayat Momina Haider. She is there in the class. Ayat, switch on your camera, child. Adhiraj Agarwal,
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya Srivastava,
Present, ma'am.
Astha Tripathi,
Present, ma'am.
Ayat Fatima Rizvi,
Present, ma'am.
Christopher Massey,
Present, ma'am.
Hardik Gupta,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Hayat Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Inaya Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Hriday Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Rishita Sumani,
Present, ma'am.
Mahira Fazal, Manjeet Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Meher Fatima Naqvi, Mohammad Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Nipun Giri,
Present, ma'am.
Oman Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali Singh, Pranjali, say present, ma'am. All right, I can see you there. Prashasti Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Ronik Rastogi,
Present, ma'am.
Ria,
Present, ma'am.
Rudraksh Sandil,
Present, ma'am.
Sakina Abbas,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh Mishra, Shubh Gautam,
Present.
Syed Mohammad Wali Abbas, Syed Mohammad Ali Altamash,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan Tiwari, Vijwal Mehra, Vijwal, Vinayak Agarwal, Vinayak, answer loudly.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Sanvi Sonkar.
Present, ma'am.
All right. So thank you so much. You have finished your work also in class. I'm very happy today, children. All of you did your work in class and very neatly. Keep it up. Next period, be ready. Last period. Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow is my brother's birthday.
Your brother's birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good. So you can wish him happy birthday. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
When it is your birthday, you let me know. Right? Then we'll sing in class. Your brother's birthday, he'll be his teacher will make him sing in his class. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, you can take your break. We'll meet again in the last period for social studies. Be prepared with your register for the test. Right? All the best. Take care. We'll meet in the last period. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.